Kaibi, nandito tayo sa Valenzuela City to witness the official partnership agreement between the city government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility. As you can see at my back, EV, ito yung police vehicle na EV na ilo-launch ngayon dito mismo sa tapat ng Valenzuela Municipal. So ka-EV, ayan, as Go Green tagline ng Valenzuela to switching or steering towards to electric mobility pagdating sa kanilang transportation dito. Ka-EV, ayan, nag-uumpisa na mismo yung mga local government natin. So masaya tayo na iba na nabalita itong mga ganito na looking forward sa lahat ng mga city or municipality dito sa Pilipinas ay go green na rin ang kanilang maging tema sa mga susunod na mga taon, di ba? So ka-EV, tara, malapit na rin mag-upisa. Let's go!
Welcome to Go E-Vehicle, your go-to channel for electric vehicles, including the latest trends, updates, insightful discussion, and EV reviews.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Valenzuela City Hall. Good morning, Valenzuela. You know what? Today we'll witness the momentous official signing of the partnership agreement between the city government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility as Valenzuela launches its newest program, the Go Green Valenzuela. Before Hector of BYD Cars Philippines and to give us his message, let's call on Mr. Bob Palanca.
Today, we celebrate the beginning of a groundbreaking partnership, one that realizes the potential of electric mobility while serving the public good. The BYD Dolphin, which BYD Cars Philippines through BYD Greenfield will provide 41 units for the city of Valenzuela. This delivers the performance, the reliability, and the range needed for the city's police forces to provide 24/7 security presence. As an electric vehicle, the BYD Dolphin is ideal for the city police forces to respond immediately to people's needs. By eliminating the need for fuel and significantly reducing maintenance costs, the BYD Dolphin offers the city of Valenzuela the potential to save up to 70% of its fleet operational and maintenance budgets. Moreover, AC Mobility infrastructure will install 20 units of 7-kilowatt chargers across the city. On top of that, we will be installing two 22-kilowatt electric vehicle chargers plus supercharger, or what we call a DC charger, here in the city of Valenzuela. The city will be installing a DC supercharger. Ito po yung fast charger na tinatawag. Within 30 minutes, kaya ho natin mag-charge and ready to go. From 30% charge of the battery all the way to 100%. So mabilis na po yan.
The message of General Manager of the BYD Philippines. A round of applause please for Ms. Lovely Labrador.
As the global #1 new energy vehicle brand, BYD is committed to reduce carbon emissions and increasing reliance on fossil fuel. Through 30 years of technological leadership and innovation, we have produced vehicles that not only promote clean energy, but also lead the way in transforming mobility through electrification.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang tagapagpapahayag ng tuloy-tuloy na progreso dito po sa lungsod ng Valenzuela, Honorable Wes Gatchalian, our Mayor.
Good morning! Excited na mga kapulisan natin. Marami mo sa hindi nakakaalam ay nung tayo po ay nasa Congress pa, isa po tayo sa author ng tinatawag natin Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, or EVIDA in short. No? This became law back in 18th Congress and naging Republic Act 11697. Ang counterpart po sa Senate ay si Senator Bill. We did this long time ago, years ago, because we believe ito na yung evolution na dapat patunguhan. Because of this law, this EVIDA law is the framework of the electric vehicle industry. Kaya kung pumasok ang mga brands tulad po ng BYD at other international brands sa ating bansa, ay dahil po sa framework na inihanda na natin ang ating bansa. Bilang City Mayor ng Valenzuela City, ay dinala na po natin ang hindi lang ang batas, kung hindi po pinairal na natin by ordering ang mga new electric vehicles sa ating gagamitin. So, three important point kung bakit po natin ang ginawa itong binudget ng program natin is summarized by the word AIR. So, unang-una, advancing peace and order. Secondly, igniting green initiatives. And third, revving up cost efficiency. So, these are all part of ang tinatawag nating livable city. Very important, integral part ng tatlong programa nito. Ngayong umaga sa pag-aralanan sa akin na ilunsad ang ating bagong green initiative na tawag natin Go Green Valenzuela. Ang Go Green Valenzuela, mga kasama, ay ang ating programa pagtungo po sa sustainability at environmental protection. Ang electric vehicle po, mga kasama, ay walang makina. Ibig sabihin, walang tune-up, walang change point. Next is these savings can be redirected to priority projects, no? Like healthcare, education, and public infrastructures, allowing us to serve Venezuelans better. Cost efficiency equals savings to LGU, which equals to more budget for priority projects. Ladies and gentlemen, is to make Valenzuela the first LGU with the largest EV police fleet in the country. So, ito po ang magiging itsura po ang ating BYD Dolphin. And I am also aiming to be the first LGU with the most number of charging stations. Like what Bob mentioned, we will be installing 22 charging stations. Ang color green po, ang color red po will be exclusive use sa ating mga kapulisan, at ang ating blue po will be used for public.
Now the right time has come for us to witness the ceremonial signing of the partnership agreement between the City Government of Valenzuela and AC Mobility.
Let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Valenzuela City's electric mobility. Wow. Beloved Mayor Wes Gatchalian doing the demo. Joined by Police Brigadier General Anthony A. Aperin. Once again, presenting to you our all-new electric vehicle, our first electric mobility.
Hello. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Palakpakan po natin ang City Government ng Valenzuela sa pamumuno po ng ating kagalang-galang na Mayor, si Mayor Wes Gatchalian. Mahirap po ang palakpak natin. Gagot! 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 Okay.
Smile, everyone.
Kaili, yan. Behind me, the police vehicle ng Valenzuela City. And this is full EV. Ito yung Dolphin. Okay, sa mga nanonood sa ating channel, ayan, meron tayong review, full review ng Dolphin. So, nasa atin yun ng 7 days nung nakaraan. And, of course, okay, ano bang pagkakaiba nito? Siyempre, ka-EV, ayan, ang isa sa mga nakita ko, meron siyang siren blinker. Okay. And of course, ang isa pa syempre yung kulay. Kung titingnan yung kulay ka-EV, so yan, meron siyang Valenzuela Police Electric Mobility Unit. As you can see dyan. And of course, ayan. Ayan logo ng Police Department ng Valenzuela. Ang nanibago lang ako kasi nag-iba na yung mugs niya. So, hindi na siya yung dating mugs na na-review natin. And ito yung pinakauna, number 1, na police mobile ng Valenzuela City. And, ano pa ba? Siyempre, wala naman ang pagbabago. Sige natin, pasok tayo. Okay. Alright. Kita niyo ito? So, on na. Hindi lang natin ma-on eh. Ayan. Ano ba to? Go E? Go E vehicle? Ano ba to? Kailangan yata ano eh. Hindi ko lang alam gamitin to ka-EV. Pero ayan, as you can see. Ayan o. Meron na siya nito. So, yun lang naman na bago dito. At bagay naman to kasi maluwag to eh. Itong EV na to, maluwag. So, malapad. So, napakaganda. So, yun lang. Same pa rin. Nag-iba lang yung kulay. Meron siyang sticker. KAB, kakatapos lang ng official signing of partnership of AC Mobility and City Government of Valenzuela para sa kanilang electric vehicle or e-mobility. Dahil ang Valenzuela ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, Go Green Valenzuela po ang kanilang pong project ngayon. So, KAB, at isa sa mga naging project nila, itong police vehicle na EV. Nakikita nyo, 001, at kanina nabanggit din na 41 EV or police vehicle, magkakaroon dito ang mga kapulisan ng Valenzuela. So, KAB, at kanina, nabanggit kanina na ang author pala ng Evida Law ay yung magkapatid na si Senator Sherwin Gatchalian at si Wes Gatchalian. Actually, sila po yung pinaka-nauna na nagkaroon po talaga ng ganitong electric vehicle para sa kanilang transportation. And I hope na yung mga ibang mga local government dito sa Metro Manila, maging sa mga probinsya natin, ay ito na rin yung kanilang maging goal, magkaroon ng e-mobility para sa kanilang transportation. Tara ka-EB, let's go!